Whether it's a cool summer snack or a full-on meal, smoothies can boost your mood, energy, and health. Here with a superfood smoothie for every day of the week is holistic nutritionist Joy McCarthy. Welcome back to your morning.
Thanks for having me.
Happy summer. Hey, listen, before we start, we love to congratulate members of your morning team and of our family, and a big congratulations to your cookbook that you featured here.
Yes.
Won the World Gourmand
Cookbook Award. Yeah, it was such an honor. Thank you so much.
Remind everybody the name of the cookbook.
Joy's Detox.
It's a good one.
Which this recipe's from, actually.
I love this. So this is Monday or Sunday?
Yeah, so Monday. We're going to jumpstart our week with this anti-inflammatory smoothie, which is absolutely amazing for your skin.
What's that you just put in?
So I'm putting in some coconut milk. The featured ingredient, our superfood of the day, is our turmeric.
What does that do?
Do you use lots of turmeric?
I don't.
So turmeric is very high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory phytochemicals. So just think skin.
Okay.
Skin health, reduces redness, but I could talk the whole show, honestly, about turmeric.
On turmeric.
Yeah.
Can I get it at just the ground-up grocery store kind?
You can, yeah. That's the easiest one to find, but you can get turmeric root. If you can find this.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah, so it's actually a member of the ginger family, because you know how it kind of looks
you know
like
what?
ginger.
I've never seen it in its raw form.
When you crack it open, smell it.
Yeah.
It smells amazing.
It smells like carrots.
Yeah, it's sweet and savory at the same time. So you can use either. I put in some cinnamon. Cinnamon is very blood sugar balancing. Some hemp hearts, which are great for good fat, also very anti-inflammatory, so wonderful for skin. Some coconut flakes. Let's put all these in here for some good fat to keep us satiated. Some dates, so naturally sweet. We have some coconut butter. Do you ever use coconut butter?
Well, I just use it. I get the coconut because of you. I get the coconut oil in the jar.
Yeah, amazing. So coconut butter is the whole meat. Okay. So it's not just the fat. You have the fiber, the protein, and it's naturally sweet.
Can I get that at the grocery store too?
You can, yeah. In the big box grocery stores, it'd be in like the natural food section, and then a bit of honey. Now it depends on your taste buds. You don't have to put honey in if you don't want. But I like the combination of honey with the turmeric. It's like such a nice combination together.
We're gonna whip through this fast because I want to make sure we get to all of them. This one.
Let's make sure we have the lid on.
Yes. Okay. Always a big question with these, Joy. Yeah. Do they keep us full?
Yes, they definitely keep us full because we have the good fats in there, which are very satiating. Now, it's live TV. We need to blend this longer. It's going to be a little bit chunky, so I apologize.
That's okay. We'll get the general gist as we move on to the next
but take a sip and see what you think.
Thank you.
Just going to wipe my hands off here.
Oh, yeah, I love you taste the coconut butter a lot.
Yes,
There's a little bit of the spice. It's nice, actually.
That's like my secret ingredient in so many recipes is coconut butter. Okay, so this is our soothing aloe smoothie. Okay. Aloe is incredible for digestion. You know how aloe is great for the skin? Yeah, you think about soothing for the skin. Think about the exact same effect on our digestive system as well.
I'm going to help you out. You've got frozen pineapple. This is mango.
Frozen pineapple mango, also good for protein digestion. We're going to put in a big few handfuls of spinach. We'll put in our hemp hearts again. Yep, let's put all of them in. And this is coconut water, which is very hydrating, a really good balance of electrolytes. And then, of course, let's put in our aloe, which, again, is so soothing and wonderful.
I can already smell how refreshing it is before you even blend it.
So we'll blend this one up. Okay, so we may have a few little chunks in here, but again, that's all right.
You can smell how fresh it is. And it's cold because you've used frozen fruit.
Yes, you know what? That's I love ice cold smoothies. What about you?
I can't have them warm. I have to have them
I know.
Cold.
This one's really refreshing.
This one I love.
Yep,
so
with
good.
The frozen fruit.
Okay, and here we've got a separate variety. This is matcha.
So Wednesday, hump day. What a great way to start your day with some matcha. Do you ever have matcha?
Only in a latte.
Yeah, well, that's a great way to have it too. But matcha is really energizing. It's my version of coffee. So matcha so it has avocado, nice and creamy, and it has amino acids in it that are soothing and calming. So you get the boost of energy, but you don't get, you know, what caffeine does to you. Now this one
looks like it wouldn't be in your
milkshake. I'm gonna have a sip of this one too. So this is our chocolate almond butter smoothie. In it, the avocado makes it nice and creamy. Raw cacao is our featured superfood, high in magnesium, lots of antioxidants. This is great for your energy, your vitality, so many benefits.
It tastes like a chocolate peanut butter mousse. It's
really
good.
It hits the sweet spot, right?
And the blueberry.
And then finally, for Friday, so we have blueberries in here, but the featured superfood for this one is bee pollen. And this is a local superfood as well. Bee pollen, we were talking about this earlier, it's kind of like the lint on your pants.
Yes.
It kind of falls off the bees'
You
legs.
watch bees gather pollen, they stick it on their legs, and that's what this is.
And it falls off. But it's a superfood because it's so rich in B vitamins, which are good for energy, amino acids. What a great way to like start your day each day with a different smoothie.
I'm taking this one, and cheers to you, Joy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You'll find all these
you.
recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. Make sure you check them out. We'll be